everyone. It's Dr. Cath Brown, the medical director of Winona. I'm here to talk to you about a topic that might be important to you. How can mood changes be affected by menopause? Those of us that might be prone to depression or anxiety in the past, or may have experienced issues with that in the past, might start to notice that there might be more symptoms creeping up again as we enter perimenopause and menopause. What happens is that there's a compilation of things that are happening in our body as we lose estrogen. One of the main things that happens is that we go through sleep changes. Many women experience insomnia. And what happens is when you're sleep deprived, you have less resilience and less tolerance for many, many things in your life. So you might find yourself snapping at your kids more frequently. You might find yourself less tolerant of your partner, less able to concentrate or focus on things at work or even fun. Many different things can happen. So the way that you can combat this or mitigate this is by trying to optimize your sleep as much as possible. Really get a good habit for sleep hygiene in the evenings. Really focus on trying to avoid screen time before bedtime, trying to reduce your caffeine use earlier in the day so that when it is time for bed, that you're not still so alert from caffeine. The other thing that you can do is to eat well, to move your body. Studies have shown that women that exercise sleep better and more soundly than women that don't. Our bodies need that movement to feel our best, and also helps us to sleep better in the evenings as well. And I know as an OBGYN, I have actually suffered from sleep deprivation many, many times. We're just not our best selves when we're sleep deprived, and it can really affect our mood and our ability to deal with things in life in general.